on earth, as it always in every pocket of paradise you find around us. Perfect place for meditation, to watch and understanding life. Man once started off as amphibians, as we started off in the aquatic realm of our mother's womb. And then after those 9 months, we come into the world of land, where we start to understand things of the earth, when all we knew at first was the water. And what blueprint to have but to watch the animals as they experience God's, nature's, the source, as they understand and experience creation. Our first teachers. Behold the reptile and the rodent. They have been here just as long as us, experiencing paradise. And man, we have such a position, a divine position, to understand all the things of nature as it is around us, on earth, as it is in the paradise. Because of course we know that heaven is a mind state. Also a place to go in your mind, because the mind is forever. The mind is infinite. And you can bring paradise everywhere you go. In the house it's a rodent. In nature it's a custodian. It's not a pet. It's here to experience life just like us.